In this video, I'm going to show you how to print pay stubs from QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to File, top left, and then from here, you want to hover over Print Forms, and then in here, you want to click on Pay Stubs. Now, when you do that, you have to select a few things. First, it's your bank account over here that you want to use, and then you can do, of course, checks dated through this over here, so you can set your dates if you want to, and then here you can select the employees as well, so you can, of course, pick them, or you can do all employees. And over here you can see all the pay stubs. Now you can go ahead and select them like that, or unselect them by clicking the check mark yet again, and you can also select all or select none depending on what you want to do. Then you can preview this if you want to, and you can of course adjust preferences as well as basically put in the default email text. And then down here you can show both paychecks or just direct deposit, so I'm going to do both. And then here you can also select a company message you want to be printed on all pay stubs, and then you can simply hit the print button over here, and then whenever you do this, it's going to basically allow you to do it. Okay, so if you get this information over here, it says your pay stubs include most of the important information, and then it says in addition, your employees can view filing status, exemption, and withholding from QuickBooks Workforce. Okay, I'm gonna click on OK over here, and now I'm in the printing menu. You can select your printer over here, hit the print button, and those are gonna get printed. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.